Hi explorers, here we are to check out this nice abandoned place here, and we should have checked it out a lot earlier because someone's torched it. It's all burnt inside, it's been vacant for a long time. The old gentleman that lived here passed away, and we thought we'd come and have a look, and a bit late, it's being torched, smells of burn. We'll have a quick look inside. Here we are guys inside. It's very burnt. Someone has torched it. No idea why they would torch this place. I suppose that's what happens when houses are left like this. Looks like it had a really nice beam up there. Why would someone torch this place for? I don't know. Probably kids or something. Really quite sad. Really has affected this place, this fire. Beautiful high ceilings in here. Wish I got to explore this place before someone torched it. Actually thought this was going into a hallway again. It's actually just a wardrobe. See if we can open the door for our other explorer. Some of these latches work quite well. We cannot open the door. Nope, the lock is burnt shut. Wow. So we never break into properties. This property was wide open. These are the remains of a couch and a stereo mini system. Just gone up in smoke. There's fresh clothes in here, which is unusual for they're not burned. Looks like the fire perhaps started in this kitchen area. It's all very burned. Look at this, just a melted pile of plastic. Here's the back door. It's very broken. Good draft coming through. Cupboard in there. The cupboard's not burnt in there. Hot water cylinder. We can get this cupboard open. Burnt in there. What's in the pantry? Too much. It's a lovely big pantry for a small house. Twice the size of my pantry. Look at all that. Let's just run down. Oh, from the heat. And all the containers, all the herbs and spices are just a bit cooked there. So, see if we can change the setting on this light. Right. Having to have a camera spotlight here because it's a lot darker when it's a burned house. So coming in the bathroom now, we've got our other explorer here in the bathroom with us. Oh look, this laundry is in really good shape, so in the rest of the house. There's a kitty gate there, plummets and some shoes there. You can see where the fire damage has come through the door and burnt this side of the door, and this side's still white. You can see where the smoke trail around the door there. So let's go in the bathroom here, and there's a toilet. It's actually, this bathroom is sweet, considering there's yourself in the mirror there. There's steaming water in the bath. Surprisingly, it doesn't seem to smoke in this room. Shower. Shower head's been removed. It's down there. Sink. There's a light bulb. So, travelling out this way. Look at the state of this desk here. Rather burned, isn't it? The wallpaper's all hanging off the wall. It's like burnt stalactites. Beams so cool, and the ceiling. It's really cool. Bar stool, burnt cushioning on it, a half burnt chair, an ashtray down there. Heat pump. I think that's going to do too much anymore. Heat pump must have been on the wall over here. I had to guess, or probably on the wall and fell down because it caught fire. That might actually be the back of a TV, I'm not actually sure. That is actually, sorry, that's not a heat pump, it's the back of a TV. Haven't seen too many heat pumps with RC leads on it. It's hard to tell what it is when it's burned. It's an old dolphin torch. There's a condom. Extra large. Someone had a big one. All those exposed wires hanging out of the wall. Power point there. You see the heat and the smoke damage on the window. The architecture on the window is quite awesome. Look at those architraves. Awesome detail on the double hung window. Would have been nice. Beautiful native timber, it's all been painted. Even this window, it's just lovely. Door features with the 4 small panels in them. And a large fixed rail through the middle of the door. Would have had nice high skirting boards like this one, and that's still left here. That would have been behind something that they've changed. So, nice cool old place. Other one burnt. Wish I had got here to show you inside before someone torched it. So there's the bulldozer going through it now. It's an encroaching commercial location now. I wouldn't dare open the fridge. It will be like burnt, smelly, stinky. Who knows? But here we are, another quick explore. We'll make our way outside and continue our video out there. So you guys, it's another burnt, destroyed and abandoned property. Sad to see. We'll get on out of here and capture you on and off. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll bring you ones that haven't been burned so bad and destroyed. Thanks for watching.